Tja. We just gotta make sure it stays cool, and we gotta replace that bearing. And maybe get headlights. Those would be nice. I have identified it. This is headlights. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck that under there. Huh? Making progress. Well, we got lights, we have brights, we have regular headlights, and we have side markers. And we are a little bit of work away from having turn signals and brake lights. It's working good. Let go. Just one more mystery is how to get the turn signals working. Oh hell yeah, go outside. Let me know which one's the turn signals working. That's the left. Okay, we'll try the right. Alright. Check the front. Okay, front left. Where do I do it? Go left. Go right. I got him backwards. Hit the brakes with your hand. Just push with your hand. Okay? Hit the turn signals and the brakes. While hitting the brakes? Yeah, just turn one of them on and then hit the brakes. let go. Well, after a few hard days long work, it's done. There's no longer a big mess of wires. Now, it may look a little ratty because, well, a lot of the wires are just loops of wire with tags on them for accessories I just don't have. But this is the fan. Before we light up, the ignition's going here. It's just I don't have the key with me. It's in Nebraska with the wife. Fan, working lights. Headlights, brights, and then this last switch doesn't do anything yet. I'm gonna use it to arm the nitrous. And then what's cool is, I'm gonna turn that off for now, is when you turn turn signals on, they work, and there's a corresponding light letting you know turn signals on. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and the tachometer works too. Yep, so there's nothing left to do but to drive it. So, stay tuned next week. Me and the brothers are going to go take it out for a rip.